Let's get started on assembling your ukulele. First, confirm you have all the necessary components: the neck assembly, string packet, hardware bag, soundboard, and body. Insert the soundboard into the neck. You may need to flex the neck opening slightly. It should click into place once the holes line up. Bolt everything together. Avoid over-tightening to prevent damaging the threads. Listen for a couple of clicks or creaks. Bolt the plastic bridge to the soundboard. The bolts go through the back of the soundboard and into the bridge. The final result is shown here. Pop the soundboard onto the body. Insert and tighten all 5 bolts on the soundboard face. Finally, insert and tighten the last bolt on the back, connecting the body and the neck. Pull the numbered strings from the pouch. String the ukulele, placing each string in the location shown in the diagram. Watch the following clip for detailed instructions on how to properly string your ukulele. The original video is from the Cordoba Guitars YouTube channel.
Thread one end of the string through the tie block, leaving 3 to 4 inches on the end. Loop the end of the string under, over, and back through the loop you just created. Loop the string one more time. Since these strings are not wound, they need to be looped twice to prevent slipping. Pinch the end of the string against the tie block to ensure that the knot rests on the edge, and then pull tight. Here's an enlarged version of what we just showed you. Take the other end of the string and thread it through the correct peg. Give the string a little slack and start winding counterclockwise. As you wind, try to wrap the loose end of the string underneath the coil to prevent slipping. Once you start feeling some tension on the strings, you can tune the string up to pitch. The last step is to clip the ends of the strings so that you don't get any buzzing. And that's how you change your strings on your ukulele.